Hey, happy Voyagers! So do you want to explore the world without leaving your neighborhood, using just your phone? In today's video, we'll show you how to experience augmented reality travel step by step, right from your pocket. And no VR headset needed, just your smartphone, a little curiosity, and your sense of adventure. Let's get started! Okay, here's what you'll need. A smartphone with AR capabilities like Android 8.0 or newer, or an iPhone 6s and up. You'll also need internet access and a few free AR-enabled travel apps. We'll show you the best ones. Oh, and here's a tip. Make sure your phone has enough space and a good camera for the best AR experience. Here are 3 great AR apps to start your virtual journey. First up is Google Arts and Culture, available for both Android and iOS. Just go to the Art Projector or Places tab. You can use your camera to project famous artwork or landmarks right into your space. It also offers museum tours and 3D objects. For example, you could project the Eiffel Tower onto your desk. So, let's talk about ARLOOPA, available on both Android and iOS. It offers these really cool 3-dimensional augmented reality experiences featuring animals, landmarks, and even moments from history. You can, for example, place a hologram of the Taj Mahal right in your living room, or, walk alongside dinosaurs. It's honestly great for kids, educators, and curious travelers alike. Next up is Time Looper, also on Android and iOS. With this app, you can visit famous historical landmarks and then, using augmented reality, actually go back in time. For instance, you might see ancient Rome beautifully reconstructed, or even watch a Viking invasion unfold. History comes alive, right in your hand. Okay, let's walk through how to use Google Arts and Culture for an AR landmark experience. First, Step 1. Download and install the app. Step 2. Open it up and head to the camera or art projector section. Step 3. Choose a place or item, maybe a UNESCO site or a famous painting. Step 4. Point your phone's camera at a flat surface. Step 5. Watch as the landmark or object appears right in your space. You can walk around it, zoom in, take pictures, or even learn its history. And hey, you can repeat similar steps in ARLOOPA or Time Looper for different experiences too. So here are a few cool ways to use AR. You can plan your next trip by seeing sites in AR before you even book. It's also awesome for teaching or learning, perfect for kids, classrooms, or travel planners. Looking for decor inspiration? Want to see how the Eiffel Tower would look in your living room? Now you totally can. And for storytelling, you can make fun videos pretending to travel to famous sites. It's a digital travel adventure, anytime, anywhere. Let's talk about the pros first. No special gear is required. It's great for quick exploration, educational and fun for all ages. And it's free or very affordable. Now, a few tips and cautions. You'll need good lighting and flat surfaces for the best experience. AR does use a lot of battery and storage, just so you know. And please, don't use it while walking in busy areas. Stay safe out there. And there you have it. The world is literally in your hands. Whether you're a student, traveler, parent, or dreamer, Arkansas travel is a fun, safe, and inspiring way to explore. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Happy Voyagers Travel with a Smile. And until next time, keep smiling and exploring.